Is Linda, and I had gone to 3 or 4 different dentists in the area and received consultations regarding doing my upper and lower teeth. I still wasn't satisfied and decided to go online and pursue one more consultation. I came across Dr. Nudel online. I believe it was either her webpage or Facebook. Read about the satisfaction and the staff, and I came in, had a consultation, and I truly did not make a mistake. I found that she was very warm, welcoming, and extremely competent with the knowledge going forward as to how to proceed. I had my upper crowns and lumineers all removed, and then the second phase was to remove almost all of my crown's lumineers on the bottom. The outcome, as you can see, I have pearly whites. She was very, very good at assisting me with the color choice and with the shaping of the teeth. And I can really say that dedicated, the staff here, excellent, very warm relationships, and they work hand in hand with Dr. Nudel, and the appointments, the timing, the cleanliness, impeccable. So I am really, truly pleased with Dedicated Dental. And if you're interested in pursuing treatment from major, kind of what I had, to whatever, I wouldn't hesitate coming.